Thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. Today what I'm going to do is a chest workout, and I'm going to do a chest workout using this particular chair here. So when you are at home or you're traveling, what you can do is you can use whatever furniture you have around you. Just be aware to vary the angles, vary the heights, and the types of exercises that you do, and also the angles. So, vary it between upward facing angles, downward facing angles, low angles, high angles. Just vary your workout. Not too much, but every 3 to 4 weeks at least. Change up what you're doing. Vary your hand positions, and just to keep your workout fresh. And to keep your keep your workout fresh. Basically that's all there is to it. And trick the muscle memory. Make sure your muscle memory does not kick in, because that's something you definitely want to avoid, okay? All right, anyway, so that being said, I'm going to use this chair. And how I use this chair is I just use it as kind of a balance. And, okay, so it's a nice little implement that I can use to basically just get a nice little chest workout. And the upward facing angles are some of the best. This is a low angle, or a low height, and also a low angle. Breathe normally. Bring yourself down as far as you can. This chair, there's no danger of smacking my head. It's nice and cushiony. Okay. This one allows me to get a nice little chest workout also, okay? A shoulder workout. I'm getting a chest workout, but it allows me to get a nice little shoulder workout as well because of the upward angle. I can feel it nicely in my shoulders as well. Okay, so again, just place your hands, basically your hands at the side. I'm placing my hands low on this chair because it kind of swings back a little bit. So I don't want it to swing so much because it detracts from the value of the exercise. Anyway. Okay, and furniture like this, use the furniture you have in your home or that you have in your hotel room. But with these chairs with the armrests at the side, these armrests at the side, they're really nice because they allow you to come down very far and bring your head down far. So it's almost like a below plane exercise. So you overextend just a little bit to give you that extra bit of difficulty, to add a little extra difficulty to the exercise. Okay, and once you've done a few, just flex. I like to flex because it just rips the muscles a little bit more, tears the muscles up a little bit more, and then, just adding a little extra value and benefit to the exercise. A little extra benefit and value to the exercise. No, it really does. It just rips your muscles a little bit more and adds more definition and pumps your muscles up. So it's really nice. Really nice little benefit. Okay, 20, 30 seconds. The first one, I usually say in about 10, 15 seconds, the second one. And you could do a quickie third one if you want, 5, 10 seconds. If you so wish, if you so choose, that should be long enough. All right, anyway. You can really feel these upward angle exercises. And just make sure as you're doing the exercise, always stay in line with the motion, okay? Or try, either just stay in line, don't move out of the line of inertia, or go against the line of inertia, like try to push straight up Right now I'm just kind of going with the line of inertia, staying right in the zone, you know, the range of the motion, in the range of the motion, but also in the direction, you know, of the motion. And really focus on the negative resistance toward the ends of the exercise. Really focus on the negative resistance to really give your muscles that extra pump. Okay, I'm gonna flex one more time just to tear the muscles a little bit more, add a little bit more definition to the muscles. Tear and rip, tear and rip. So the second one, again, like I say, about 10-15 seconds is fine. Fine and dandy. 10-15 seconds. All right. Oh my God, muscles are quite sore now. These upward angle ones are really good, really excellent for working out. Fantastic. All right, so you can pretty much do just upward facing angle chest exercises. And I've heard other home body weight enthusiasts like myself say the same thing, that upward facing angle chest exercises for home body weight workouts are really some of the best ones. So, and I've noticed that in my own personal experience too. That's why I stick with it. Okay, so now that I'm reaching sort of the end of the exercise, I just want to really focus on the negative resistance. So really focus on the downward motion. God. All right, so yeah, you can do a few stop and holds, you know, like isometric stop and holds on the way down. I'll demonstrate that right away. So I want to finish this up. And the thing when you're doing the home body weight work is just don't lag, you know, don't waste too much time between sets. Okay, coming down. Now just hold. Just hold as long as you can. Oh, okay. That gives you a nice little extra pumping benefit, and which hurts, but it's also good for you. Okay, so that is it. And what I want to do is I want to supplement that with another exercise. So what I can do is I can use either something like this. I can go with a little bit of a higher angle. I can even use the bedpost here, which is probably what I should do. And I'm going to do that actually. That's what I actually plan to do. Okay, so I'm going to use the bed here. And it's a little bit, obviously, it's a little bit higher angle than that. So I'm going to change up my workout by going from a lower height and a lower angle to the higher angle here, okay? So I'm going to use a wider, a little bit wider than shoulder width spacing, okay? So kick my feet back as far as I can to pit my body weight against me as much as possible. So I'm sticking with the upward facing angles and really give myself a nice chest pump. A lot of times I'll go opposite angles, go from one upward facing angle to one downward facing angle, but this time I'm going to change it up a little bit by sticking with both upward facing angles. And I'm going from a lower angle to a higher angle this time. So normally I go from a higher angle to a lower angle. This workout I'm going from a lower angle to a higher angle. So, and you can change it up and do whatever you want. Just keep your exercises fresh, keep your workouts fresh, so that not only do they not get boring, but they also, you know, trick your muscle memory and, you know, keep your muscles growing and staying strong. All right. Okay. And getting tired pretty quickly because once you change the angles, boy, you really notice, just because it's targeting your muscle, you know, from a different angle, different position, different height, you really feel it right away. You really feel the fatigue right away, and that's very good. It's very good. You feel the fatigue right away. Okay.